Doc McStuffins Toy Hospital Dr. S Bag Set in-depth reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 3,241 ratings and 465 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Very good gift. My daughter loved it. Personally, I love that the stethoscope has sound effects. The rest items are durable and high quality too. Also is good as a present and easy to store in a bag. It goes with thumbs up. Recommend red heart." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Not as described at all. Product did not come as shown in picture. It only came with a bag, stethoscope, syringe, and band-aid. Stethoscope is not light and sound as advertised. Complete disappointment given the price of item. That's it.